Okay, so in the previous video, I show you that how to create this redirections, and now let me show you that how to create the user sessions. Okay, so in order to create user sessions, um, I need few functions. Okay, yeah, so I need a function uh, called it as create user session, and this is the user. So these are session variables. So session variables are available within a user session, uh, no matter which page you are traveling or you are going through. Okay, so this is some sort of a global variable or global objects inside the PHP. So user ID and user email, because these are commonly used throughout the entire code as well as the entire pages. So name, another session, call it as username, but don't session your password because it will uh, be more vulnerable. Your system will be more vulnerable then. Okay, it is not a quite good way of creating sessions. So after creating the session, I can go to the index page. So over here I will cut this out and paste it over here, and I need destroy the sessions as well. So it's basically logout, right? Okay, give me a second. All right, so yeah, did I left off? Okay, logout, right? So in the logout, we need to simply unset the setup uh, session variables. So there are three session variables, namely user ID, email, and name. Okay, right. So then we can destroy the session. Then we can basically again redirect to the login one, right? Because after logout, usually it goes to the login. So users login, right? I think that will be enough, but later on we will need this function as well, which is logged in. Basically you have to check if the one of the session variable is instantiated or not. So normally let's say user ID. If the user ID is set, then we can simply return true, else we can simply return false, right? So now go to the login function. So instead of calling that previous redirection over here, what I can do is that create user session. Okay, with, with respect to the logged user. Okay, and yeah, I guess that's it. So user will log in to the system, then maybe we can go to the index, and maybe I can PHP echo the session, maybe username. Okay, So let's go to the login form, let's clear it out. Right, yeah, it says it is null. Why is that? Username and the redirection happens correctly. Let me the index. Yeah, redirection happens, but undefined variable session. Okay, current user. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I found the bug. Actually, it's not a bug because we need to start this session instead of just creating at the very beginning. So we can done it by creating another helper. Let me name it as session helper.php. So I have to load the session helper to the bootload as well. So require once helpers session helper. So inside the session helper, I need to start the session. PHP just start the session. Right now, go to here. Okay. Go to login. Go to there. Okay. Now it says simply print the user ID, but in my case, let me enter the, let's say, username. So it will print the username. Okay, so now the session is working correctly. In the next video we will see more things, and for now I think this session stuff will be enough. Yeah, thank you.